What is that noise?
What? This?
Yeah, what's that noise?
Switching gears.
So that's when you flick one of them and it changes the transmission?
Yeah. See, when you go in here, we're going to turn this off for a sec. Alright, see, if you zoom over here, this sticker is really important. See, when the red thing is switched over into this direction for this, with this sticker, it shows that it's this is for its gears to in driving position. Then when it's flipped over here, it shows that it's in the claw position.
Oh, okay, okay. For the arm and the bucket to go back and forth. I got you. I got you.
It's pretty amazing.
It is. Especially that it's built out of Legos.
I want to make sure I had the spin right.
What are you doing?
I'm checking something out.
Alright, well that's our first movie. We're gonna make another one. We're gonna make the demo movie, but this is the R00 Alpha test run. What's today's date? Today's March 16th, 2013. Aloha.
Goodbye.